Good morning, this is Mirko with Dry Pro Drain. I'm here at 899 Commonwealth doing a mainline sewer camera inspection. We found an accessible cleanout right here under the bench in the back, and I'm going to be entering this cleanout. It's a 4-inch cleanout. We're entering the cleanout. This is ABS clay plastic. We're now going into the cleanout. What you're looking at here is ABS 4-inch. This ABS pipe lasts for 50+ years and doesn't have any. These all the seams are glued in. Okay, so we just ended here with the ABS, and now we've hit the clay section, and what we're looking at here is an offset of the clay, and you can see it's holding a little bit of water, and there's solid matter getting stuck right here at the clay section. I'm going to try and hop this. Okay, so my camera was able to hop that. Now we're in the clay section. So that was a pretty good offset. And here's another little offset and shift. So I'm going to take a still picture of this. Now when you have offsets like these, I'm going to move back a little bit. Where this offset is, you can see that it holds water, and then solids have a hard time, and paper have a hard time passing through that. I'll take a still photo of that as well. So there was a solid, and we're going through the clay. So here at 23 feet, we have a little bit of a belly. So this belly, due to the offset, has been shifted, and this is causing some water to stand. So it's holding a little water here, and now we have another offset. So this section of pipe is ABS pipe that was installed. I guess there must have been a spot repair done here, and it was, when they compacted the pipe, it was shifted. That's why you have another offset right here. So this pipe shifted. I'll take a still photo of that. It's shifted and bellying and holding water, as you can see. So on the bottom of the pipe here, okay, I was able to pass that. So we're still in the clay. Tiny roots. So some roots are coming through here, and there's a little bit of a crack in the clay pipe. You can see right here some cracks in the clay. Just a photo of that. Past this. So it looks like there's a slight crack on the bottom of this clay as well. Some roots are getting through, very minimal. Here's what we have called a tie-in. So this is tying into another section of the pipe. Now we're at what's called the city saddle connection. So this portion of the pipe is actually the sewer system for all the homes on Commonwealth. So you're looking at the end of the cul-de-sac here, and this is the main city sewer, and this is what's called the city saddle connection. City saddle connection is in really good condition, so no issues with the saddle. This is your 6-inch clay now. So off the property line turns into 6-inch, so we have 6-inch clay. Looks pretty good. That's the chimney coming out of the chimney. Now back transitioning into the 4-inch. And this is either a tie-in or what's called a test Y, what you're looking at there. This is all in good condition. So besides the couple shifts that are pretty major in this clay pipe, All in all, the pipe is flowing and seems to be in good condition. The shifts are preventing solids from going through, and there is a belly in a small section, maybe a 4 or 5 foot section of pipe, where somebody did a repair, and when they did the repair, either while installing that piece of ABS plastic, right here is where this ABS plastic is, they compacted it too much and it shifted off of the connection. So typically this connection that you're looking at here is connected with what's called 2 rubber couplings from clay to plastic. These rubber couplings have shifted due to the compaction of the soil. That's why you have this belly. Now my camera is in water and it's being held, the water is being held there due to that bellying and shift. Here you can see a really good view of how shifted it is because you can see the seam of that plastic pipe. Now we're exiting that section and we're going into the clay. So we have another section here that has a good size shift, and it's also, as you can see, holding solids at the end and also a slight belly. So they're running water in the house right now. Now we're back into the 4-inch ABS. This goes all underneath the slab. And we'll be exiting the cleanup here in 899 Commonwealth. Ending recording now.